Greetings traders and welcome back to another Quick Tips with Chris session. Today's quick tip will be make sure that we're being reasonable and logical about where we're setting our take profit level. The idea behind setting a take profit level is good in theory, but if we set it at some arbitrary area behind a million walls that price has to break through in order to get there, we're not really doing ourselves any favor. If anything, we might be hurting ourselves because our brain will tell us that we need to stay in the trade until the take profit hits or the stop loss hits. And if there's entirely too much resistance in a long trade that the trade has to get through in order to reach that take profit, it's only increasing the chances that unfortunately the stop loss then might hit. So when we're setting our take profit level, remember to see and ask yourself, is this a reasonable location? Is it logical that the market will be able to make it through all of these different barriers to get to where I want it to go?